Animal crackers?
Oh, they got peppermint. He's got some. Yeah.
Oh, you like that? Or is it just food, period?
Oh. Is he going to spit it out? Maybe? Oh, give him an animal cracker. What now?
Animal crackers.
Oh, you are going to do it. We'll try it.
Oh, a bunch of them up there.
Wow.
You want me to video? Get it? Video? Yeah, just push it. Okay. Wait.
Yep, go.
Go.
Yeah, hold your hand out flat. So all you gotta do is just hold your hand flat.
Just hold your hand flat.
There you go. See?
Aww.
If there are any fingers sticking up, they can't bite.
No. Just hold your hand flat. You flat. Do it. You Oh, wasn't that fun? Oh.
A whole bunch of wild donkeys.
Should they get wind of that to have a stampede down here?
Yeah.
All done. Are you all done? Okay. You had fun? Mm-hmm. Oh, good. Bye-bye. Bye. I did. Yes, you did. One more animal cracker. Yeah. Okay. Is that good?
Say, don't pet me, just feed me.
Okay.
Hi there.
Want me to do it?